Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about tomorrow's market analysis based on my unique calculation way. Okay, so in this, I'll be telling you the support and resistance level for tomorrow's Nifty 50, and also I'll be telling you the two stocks what you can observe for tomorrow's intraday trading, and also I'll be telling you how to trade them and what are the levels for them, how to calculate. So I'll be telling you all this in this video. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And also I want to tell you guys, please make sure this video is only for an educational purpose. I'm not asking you to invest or trade on the stocks or the levels. So before you trade on the stocks or levels, you can do your own research as well. So this is only my study and my view, which are based on my unique way. Okay, so yes, first now let's talk about the Nifty 50. So if you guys can see Nifty 50 on the couple of days, last few days in the week, that is the last 2 to 3 weeks in the last week, the market has come down. Okay, even on the last previous closing day, the market opened in a bearish way and then it took a support and it has went up and closed around 18,205. So now I'll tell you the calculation what you can do for tomorrow's Nifty 50. So for tomorrow's Nifty 50, the calculation what you do is just see the opening price of Nifty 50 and add opening price plus 160 to find out the maximum high what it can go for tomorrow. That you can treat it as maximum resistance level as well, and opening price minus 160 to find out the maximum low, that is the maximum support what the Nifty 50 can give for tomorrow. Okay, and opening price plus 80 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 80 to find out the key support level. So you can just calculate this level and mark the levels on the chart. Okay, so once you mark that level, you'll get the levels, and I'll be telling you further in this video how to observe those levels and how to trade on those levels. Okay, so this is for the Nifty 50, that is the market analysis for tomorrow. Okay, and also guys, to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a proper trading strategy and a trading setup. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the unique strategies which are without indicators and no complicated things. Okay, I'll teach you the simple ways to make consistent profit in intraday trading. I'll teach you the whole process of making consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, I'll teach you the stock selection process, how to enter, how to exit, and everything. I'll be guiding you in my unique way. Okay, and also it's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support, and until you understand, I'll be guiding you everything personally. And also even in live market, I'll be guiding you personally every single day. So you can just go to my channel and see all the daily live trades what I've uploaded. So even if you also wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can just start the trading with minimum 5 to 10,000 capital and make up to decent profit in a day. Okay, so if you guys are interested to make constant profit from now, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me personally, and I'll be guiding you how you can make consistent profit. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's talk about the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. The first stock will be Axis Bank. Okay, so for that, what you have to do is, so once the market opens, just see the Axis Bank opening price and add opening price plus 18 to find out the maximum high what the stock can go for tomorrow. That's the maximum resistance level, and opening price minus 18 to find out the maximum low. That's the maximum support what the stock can get for tomorrow, and opening price plus 9 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 9 to find out the key support level for the Axis Bank. And the next stock will be HCL Tech. Okay, so HCL Tech, the calculation is just see the opening price of HCL Tech and add HCL, I mean add opening price plus 20 to find out the maximum high what it can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 20 to find out the maximum low what it can go for tomorrow, and opening price plus 10 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 10 to find out the key support level. And now let's talk about how you can trade on these levels. Let's assume a stock is touching a key support or resistance level or a maximum low and high level. So once that line touches, so this is the example what I'm showing for a buy. Okay, once the support line touches, and if you see the next good green candle forming, and if this green candle high breaks, then you can consider to buy a stock and keep 0.5% target and 0.5% stop loss. So this is the example for buying. And for short selling, what you have to do is, if the stock touches any of the key resistance level or the maximum high level, so wait for the red candle to form. Okay, in the resistance line. Once the stock touches a resistance line, you should see a red candle to form, and once that red candle low gives a breakout, then you can short sell and keep 0.5% target and 0.5% stop loss. Okay, so guys, this is only for observation purpose, and if you guys want to learn my unique way of trading, and if you guys want to enter in any time of a day and want to identify a correct stock for intraday trading, you can join my course. In my course, I'll teach you everything in depth, and it's very simple process without indicators, so where you can, and also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients, what they have given us once they have joined, and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.